Good morning. It's a Monday morning today. We're going to the other house, guys. We're gonna bring my doggies food, our daily routine. Wait, guys, ha. This is the food of my Coco. So normally Art will do the daily routine, bringing food to our doggy, but sometimes I'll go with him just to visit the doggy because Coco is not feeling well right now, or even the previous days. Even the previous days he's not feeling well. So maybe because of the weather. Still, even our Uno here, they also not feeling well. Hello, baby. Hello, darling ko. Hello. Oh, Zuzu. Oh, Zeus. And this is the other dog that we had. And Joker. Hello, Joker. Hello, baby. Hello, Joker. Joker. Oh, Zuzu. Oh, Zeus. Oh, Zuzu. Sometimes they mostly like to play each other. You're playing each other. Oh, love, love. Love, love, Uno. Joker, oh, love, 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 love with Uno, oh. Love, love. Okay, guys, update you later. Wala kaming ganap today, guys. Actually, wala kaming ganap, really. Kasi mainit pa rin dito, guys, eh. My husband. Honey. Han. Morning.
Good morning.
Okay, guys. Update later, guys. If we had... I already turned on. Bye for now, guys. We got a big fish. We call this one Maya Maya. It's our lunch for today. Maya Maya fish. And be cooking sweet and sour. Yummy. It's a big fish. And I have papayas over here. Yeah, my cousin-in-law harvested this one just for Art. This is one of the favorite fruits of Art, aside from mangoes. And ayun, guys, so this is our fish now. I'm gonna fry first, then make a red sauce just to pour on top of this fish. Sweet and sour sauce. It's yummy. Yummy. Bagong huli, guys. It's fresh from the ocean. Aside from sweet and sour, guys, magsisinigang pa kami ng another fish again. Another big fish. I think they call this one as, if I'm not mistaken, they call it purong in Ilocano. So I don't know what's the English of how they call it in English, this one. Gonna cook it sinigang, this one. So I'm gonna prepare now the for sinigang. That one. This one is for sinigang. Sinigang using tomatoes. Okay. I think it's ready to flip. It's already ready to flip. Oh, not yet. Not yet, not yet. I'll be careful on flipping on this one, guys, because I don't want to be failed and make it. I really still want it to be whole, so that's nice to put a sauce on top. It's still whole. Yun guys, yung update natin, ito yung ulam namin for lunch. Sweet and sour, then sinigang.
Meron ako sa Filipino.
Sino?
Rachel Joyce.
Ikaw, ano participation mo doon?
Sweet and sour
ko doon
fish.
sa mga photo ay sa yung properties ng Pinuta.
Sa po.
Hindi ka ba ever nuna?
Yummy. Hi guys, we're going to complete the rentals. Have to do paperwork. Now we need
Where am I going to?
ah,
Where are we going to?
the nearby Apolaki. Good afternoon guys. I just woke up. Just I took a nap.
Okay.
My husband, I didn't know. I don't know if he took a nap. Take a nap.
No map.
Uwi ka na? Ay, naka-shutdown na. Tomorrow na lang. Ano oras ka nag-o-open? 7? Sige, bukas na lang. Papaprint na kami. Okay. Thank you. Kasi hapon na nga rin. Nakatulog ako eh. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow na. So, it's failed, honey. It's failed, guys. We just closed the. It's already closing time. So, we'll come back tomorrow, guys. Also, no.
Where am I going? Where'd you go?
You said you're going to the boulevard. You said you're going to the 668.
Yeah.
Did they close, huh? I don't know what time they will close.
See a lot of dogs.
The brown dogs, it looks like it looks like cloudy.
Don't feel it's hot.
It looks cloudy. need to get buns. That's Jomali.
Got some buns right there.
I think I took a nap a long hours.
Yeah, you did.
Ah, there is a police there. I didn't notice when
You
you.
know, that's what I was saying.
And Jomali didn't. I think Jomali didn't wear a helmet. No, this one also doesn't have an helmet. I need to buy.
My shoe rolled on the rock.
I need to buy a pencil. Want to check something inside this. Just get the wipes.
I got some, but like they got this one, which is nicer looking. So it's 800 and like
30
900.
watts. The one that you got is 40.
But I don't see a panel to it. It's in this kit. I don't know if it comes with the panel.
Yeah, it comes with that.
It says floodlight. It don't say.
It comes with that. Yeah, 30 watts there.
I know what it said. But it's
Ah,
not what it said.
what?
I'm saying, does it have a panel?
It comes with that, yeah.
No, it's just that. That's all it is. There's no panel. So I don't know. It gets wired to regular wiring.
Ah,
I guess.
I don't.
Didn't say solar. Just LDL light. That's all that is. Okay, so that's what I wanted to know.
Just a light, it's not a solar.
No, it's not solar.
They don't,
They got
they
these
don't have
with
much.
solar, but they're
They don't have much.
all-in-one LD solar street light. I don't want that because I don't want to be pushing the button to turn it on. We got that up there, 100 watt. It's been open.
Oh, it's just old
Yeah.
stuff.
11175.
No. Just a LED na LED light already.
Here's the panels.
Ah, you can buy separate.
It's just a floodlight.
Extension. Ah, just flashlight. Emergency light. Yeah.
Like you do a restaurant or something. Emergency light. Solar light.
Street light.
Yeah, but the problem is, here's the on and off switch. There's no solar. I like going remote. I want remote.
The one with solar. Street light, yeah.
Yeah.
There.
But it's got on and off switch.
Solar street
How do you
light.
turn it on?
It's automatic. Maybe.
Maybe. You're right. Could be. But that's all they had.
Solar street, eh, so it's automatic. We're gonna end this vlog now, guys. Just a quick vlog already. It's a quick video Okay, guys. See you again on the next one. Bye for now, guys. Bye-bye. Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Full moon tonight. I guess all our wives will go crazy. Yeah. Very careful, guys. It's a full moon. You know how the wives get when it's full moon. All right.